Hey everybody, Brandon with Big B's Plumbing. Happy holidays. Our gift to you this holiday season is a little education about what not to put down your drains. To start off, I want to give you a little education about garbage disposals. They are not a trash compactor. This is a common misconception. You cannot put whatever you want down your garbage disposal. What not to put down your drains? First off is grease. Don't put that bacon grease down the drain after you've cooked bacon for the family. The next thing is potato peels. When you're making mashed potatoes for that family meal, please don't put the peels down the drain. The next one is spaghetti noodles. Oh my gosh, please just don't do this. And if you do, it's okay. You can give us a call. That's job security for us. We'll come out and help you out. But please keep your spaghetti noodles out of the sink. The last two things are coffee grounds and eggshells. Coffee grounds are already little granules that get stuck in your drain. Eggshells, when you put them through the garbage disposal, get broken down into the same similar little granules. Those don't flush down the drain. So what happens is, after a long period of time, they build up in the drain. Really hard for us to clear it with a standard snake. Typically, we have to go in there and hydrojet, and that's a very costly expense. So please, no coffee grounds or eggshells. The most important thing is keep in mind, if any of this stuff happens, we have a $99 drain special for the holiday season. So you can give us a call, we'll come out and we'll take care of that for you and get you flowing for $99.